The Waterfall system. Analysis is the first step in the waterfall system engineering model. Requirement gathering and analysis. All possible requirements of the system to be developed are captured in this phase and documented in the requirement specification document. Step 1. Gather contact information. Step 2. Estimated budget. Sharing a realistic assessment of what you're planning to spend on this project will help us determine the scope of the engagement. Step 3. What is this project about? Step 4. What is your current or intended website domain name? Do you currently have a website? Will we be transferring any assets to the new site? Step 5. How soon do you need the project completed? How many pages or sections? You already have a logo. Is it vectorized? Or do you need a new logo? Do you need hosting and email? Step 6. How important is SEO? How should visitors describe your new site? Describe your target audience. Do you need a content management system to maintain and add content? What specific requirements of CMS? Step 7. Need e-commerce? What payment processing method? What are 5 websites that you like, and why? What assets do you want? What color scheme do you like? What milestones for each payment? For more information on how to create a waterfall system website, call Dr. Pete at 773-372-9656.